welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at open natural turn, turning lock and checked natural turn. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. Let's look at three figures which we will combine in one new figure. So first figure is open natural turn. It's usual for slow foxtrot. Yes. Second figure is from waltz, turning lock to right, 1 and 2, 3. And third figure is also used in waltz, which is checked natural turn, finishing with reverse swivel. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta, how they combine these three figures into one figure. So we start of course from promenade position. We dance open natural turn into turning lock and checked natural with reverse swivel. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And quick, quick, quick and quick, slow, slow. Very good. And let's look once again from different direction. And quick, quick, quick and quick, slow, slow. And now let's look to next figure, which is extended weave ending. We start with 2 slow steps, extra steps, and slow, slow, and weave ending for quicks. Very good. Let's look from another angle. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's put together our open natural turn, turning lock and check natural with extended weave ending. And quick, quick, quick and quick, slow, slow. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And quick, quick, quick and quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at next figure, which is follow a reverse slip pivot. And then we dance hover to promenade position. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And let's look from another angle. Noticed in hover to promenade position the shapes. Slow and quick, quick, shape, shape to promenade, and we finish. Very good. And now let's look at introduction or beginning of our routine. We will dance chassé to right, then running finish ending and feather step. Now let's look once again, this time with teaching count. and slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's put our today's routine together. So we start with chassé to right and running finish ending, then further step into follower reverse slip pivot, hover to promenade position, open natural, turning lock and check natural, and extended weave ending. And now let's look at routine with teaching count. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 and quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 quick. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.